Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a G12 with the B58 engine. You're going to find the engine air filter on the front right side of the engine right here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here, and thank you to all of my returning viewers. It greatly helps the channel. Now let's get started. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a T20 to remove all the screws. We're going to go ahead and start with the connector over here on the mass airflow sensor. You're going to undo the locking tab first. Just gently pull it back, and then you can grab it and remove it. We're going to undo the band clamp. And then with the screwdriver, you can try to get under it just to break apart the plastic from the housing. Just kind of loosen it up, just right around it like this. That'll break the seal that the rubber boot has onto the plastic. So once you see you can kind of get it loose like that, that's good enough right there. So we're going to undo 6 T25 screws. I know I said T20 earlier, it's actually a T25. Now these screws don't come off the air box, they'll actually stay inside. So from here, there's only one more T20 to remove. That's going to be further in. And that's going to be this T20 right here. This one will come out, so you want to make sure not to drop this one as you remove it. That's what it looks like, so make sure you don't drop this one, it's going to come out. Okay, so now all the screws are loose. You can lift this up, remove that, and now you have access to your engine air filter. You can remove this, and if you have a vacuum, it'd be a good idea to just vacuum all this out. I'm gonna have a part number down on the screen right now for the new engine air filter. Essentially, to install it, you're just gonna place it in here, make sure it fits in all the grooves, and we're gonna do everything in reverse order. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So if you found value from the video, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos that provide step-by-step instructions and share tips and tricks along the way. Share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel as well, and I'll see you in the next one.